Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a card on Flybuys. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in experience.flybuys.com.au and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Flybuys. Now once you're in the home page, just click on the sign in button first at the top right corner and then proceed with logging into your account using your email address and your password. Once you are logged into your account, from the home page, simply scroll down and you will find an option to request a card. Simply click on this button and you will now be taken into another page to request for your card. In order to complete the request, you will simply need to enter your phone number and verify with the code that will be sent to you. So just type in your phone number first and click on the Send Verification Code button and you will be sent a code on your phone. Just type in the code in the next screen and then you will be allowed to apply for your card. Once you complete this, you will be contacted by Flybuys in regards to your card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to apply for a card with Flybuys. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.